and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Retirement Account. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So assignment title is a EXP19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Retirement Accounts. We move to the project tab. So step number 1 is a start access. Open the download access file name EXP19 Access Chapter 3 Cap Assessment Retirements accounts and creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the access file. I have already downloaded the access file. So we move to the step number 2. So step number 2 is a create a query using the query design. From the client's table, display the client first name and last name. From the account table, select the saving balance and open date. Sort the query by saving balance in a descending order and save the query as the account longevity. So create the query design and using the from the table is client table and account table. Go to the access file and go to the creator and go to the queries group. Click the query design and from the client table display the client first name and last name. Insert the client name, client tables. Go to the access file and create the client table and client table display the client is the first name and last name, and from the account table select the saving balance and open dates and sort the saving balance is the descending order. So click the first name is the move and drag the field in the first name and last name. So select the last name and move and drag the field is second field is the last name, and from the account tables select the saving balance and open dates. Sort the query by the saving balance in the descending order and create the account tables. So select the account table, move and drag the account table and resize the table and resize the account table. From the account table and select the account table and select the saving balance. So select the account table and move and drag the saving balance, and second field is the open date. Select the open date and move and drag the open date and sort the query by the saving balance and descending order. Sort the query by saving balance. Select the saving balance and sort the Sort the query saving balance in the descending order. Select the descending order is the saving balance and save the query is the account longevity. Copy the query name, is the right click and save the query is the account longevity. Click OK. So question number 1 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is add a calculated field name with the account time that calculate the number of days each client's account have been open and assume the to-do date is 12/31/2019. The call dates must be enclosed the S2 denotes and access it is dates format the result in a general number formats and run the query and close the query. So add the calculated field is the account time and then calculate the number of days each client's account have been opened. Go to the access file and select the field and calculated field name is the account time. Copy the account time and go to the builder and expression builder is dialog box, paste the account time and that calculate the number of days each client account have been opened and assume today date is 12/31 is 2019. So type the ratio signs and type the date is 12/30/31 and 2019. Copy the date and paste the date and type the hash and calculated the number days the account have been and recall the dates enclose the as donate accounts access its states. Minus sign is open date. Minus sign is open date open date and donate the access its dates format the result in the general number formats. So click OK. So and apply the general number formats. Go to the property sheets and click the formats and apply the general number formats. Apply the general number formats. Apply the go to the property sheets steps and click the format and apply the general number formats. Apply the general number format and run the query and close the query. Go to the query design tabs and go to the results and click the run the query. So insert the table is the account longevity and close the query. Right click, click the save and click the close the query. So inside the account longevity is the new query. So question number 3 is the complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is the create a query using the query design from the client table and display the client first name and last name from the account table and select the saving balance. So create the using the query design, go to the create tabs and insert the query designs and query design from the client table display the client first name and last name. So create the client table, move and drag the client table and resize the client table. Resize the client table and display the client's first name and last name. So select the first name, move and drag the field is the first name and last name. First name and last name. And from the account table select the saving balance. So insert the account table and resize the account table and account table format the from the account table select the saving balance. So select the saving balance, move and drag the saving balance and so question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is add the appreciates grouping. So the client's total retirement account saving balance or display at the sort to the highest total saving balance or display the first. Add the grouping so the client's retirement account saving balance or display add source so highest total saving balances are displayed the first. Add the sums, go to the access files and click the total. Is the add the total function is sum function and group by the is the and retirements is the saving balances are displayed. Select the saving balance or display and apply the sum functions inside the sum function and add the source is highest total saving balance or display the first. So apply the descending order in the sum functions. So select the sort and filter group is the descending orders and select the descending order by the saving balance. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is a switch to datasheet view. Add a total row displaying the codes of the first last name. Add the average of total saving balance. Save the query. Is the total balance by the client and close the query. Switch the datasheet views. Go to the access file and switch the datasheet view. Select the view and datasheet view. Add a total row displaying the count of last name and average of total balance and save the query is the total balance is the clients and close the query. Add a total row displaying the count of the last name. Go to the access file and select the last name and click the total. So insert the total row and add the total row is the displaying the count is the last name. So select the last name column and add the total row, click the arrow and click the counts. So result is 22 last name and the average of total saving balance. Save the query is the total balance by clients and average of total saving balance. So select the sum of balance column is the average of total saving balance. So click the arrow and click the average. The result is 1180 857.65 and save the query is the total balance by clients. So apply the autofit column is display the column. So display the column is saving of balance, some selling of balance and save the query. Select the query one, right clicks and click the save query is the total balance by client is the save the query, click OK. So insert the new query is the total balance by a saving balance, total balance by the clients, the new query and close the query. It's the right clicks and click the close the query. So question number 6 is a complete. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email